serious problem for some people is armpit hair. Armpit hair. Isn't that right, Larry?
Well, I'm jingling, my friend. I'm jingling.
Jingling your armpit hair.
If that's what it is, it's reaching up and grabbing.
Sound effect for this right here? Here's your armpit. No hair yet? Well, we're going to take care of that. Oh, look at that one. Don't worry. Right guard is on.
There's spray for that.
There is. To use it. It kills bugs. It kills bug data. Okay, guys, get ready. Your sound effect for the hair. You're gonna start that now. Ready? 1, 2. What song am I gonna do? Let's do. You know what? Let's do. Oh. Okay. Regularly, we have a couple stupid ones here. You know what? The more spontaneous you are and don't think about stuff too much, the better energy you're going to have in drawing your Ratfinks. The next time you go to the bank and you're filling out the deposit slips, put a Ratfink on it and see what they say. Okay, but you know what? Look at that.
Things. Terrible. Well, it's better than me.
It's covered.
I think they all look great. I think everybody's looking great. All right. Now look, the famous RF, right? I'm not going to do the big block letters. I can do the block letters if you want me to, or I'm just going to roll this right through. If you want to turn them into block letters, go ahead. Ready? Get set. Just go. I'm just going to do the big black like. They could be bigger. Sometimes these little folds of fat I put on the front of his stomach, I do something, this gets really animaty of me now. I do like little creases like that, so it looks like there's some volume of his tummy sticking over. Oh, by the way, hair does grow through his shirt, so I do put pieces of hair that come out of his shirt, and I put some out here too. Okay. Sometimes I cut his shirt long and I put a belly button here with a whole bunch of hair on it. But I'm not gonna do that today. Now look, did you ever notice Ratfink looks like he's moving all the time with those little shaky line things? Okay. So let's do the ears. Usually there's a couple on here. We have a couple happening here. We have something here. You know what? He always has like saliva like flying around in sweat. Okay. Looking good. You're looking good, buddy. Now look. Now I'll let you draw that for a minute. What about the flies, Mr. Jeff? What about the flies? How do we draw the flies? How many do we do? Well, I don't know. Like 6, 7, 8. You can do that if you want to. You ready? I'm gonna just hold this here. Now, let's do this first. Nice shading on that. Now, speaking of that, let's do that. You know what? Let's just add a little darkness around the teeth. It's like Bruce Springsteen's album, Darkness on Edge of Town. Look at this. You know why I like to put black in his mouth too? It adds the level of depth, but it also evens out the black that you have going too. And drawings with just regular line work without any depth or blackness or heaviness that's balanced around, that kind of looks like a drag too a little bit. So you want to just add that balance to it, okay? Which is really, really cool. Hi. Hey, are you looking for somebody?
No, I'm just checking in to see if yours were still going.
Oh,
Is it still the first session?
This is our session. The second session.
Second session. Okay, cool.
Yeah. Now flies. You ready? Some people go like this. I like to just do a circle and just do like this and this and have them fly away and go, hey, how you doing? That's good. Some people like to just do a round circle and go like this and like that. Hey, how you doing? I'm scared. Okay, or some people like doing little fat ones. And some people like putting little faces on them. Yeah, I'm gonna be a mean one. Okay, that's good. Like that, okay? So I see, okay, there you go. Fly A, B, or C. I like A. Okay. So I'll just go bing, bing, dang, dang, like that. I'll put one down here. I'll put one back here because he farts a lot in the back. Okay. Oh, here's the fart fumes. Yeah, they're gonna come flying right on. Okay. Just about anymore. And you know what? Oh, here's the flies. Okay, so we'll the flies. Okay. Let's check table number 2. I feel like I just ignore you guys back here. But you know what? And I don't like to ignore the class back here. I think we have some phenomenal looking Ratfinks happening back here. They look great. Notice how all the styles are a little different? That looks awesome.
It's cool.
But you know what though? All the styles are a little bit awesome. They're a little bit different, but we are all different. But if you take all of these and throw them on the floor and line them all up, and you have people come and say, what character is this? They'll say, they are Ratfinks. And that goes with anything that you draw, no matter what it is. That means the styles are working. You can color this character any color you want. This character comes in purples, lavenders, green, pinks. Look at the souvenir place of yellows. You can color this any way you want. It comes underneath it. If the tree is purple, it's still a tree. If a tree's plaid, it's still a tree. Okay? Look at that. But we all doing okay? Just keep finishing. You're doing great. You're doing great. You're doing great. You know what? I'll touch up the last thing here. Let's do it, talks. Let's do it, talks. That looks good. You know what? The debris factory, you know, like the little dots and stuff around? Like, say he just had lunch or something. You want to put, like, some crumbs, like, falling around? You can do that, too. I mean, you can do some more with that. I mean, you can add patina where you want to add patina. People just like to look at interesting-looking line work and details like crazy, okay? And that's what sells pictures, no matter if you're an oil painter. You know, Picasso never put hair on his stuff. Well, I don't know about that. I got that Picasso one that's out in, what do you call it, the painting I did. Is this fun though?
Yes. Oh, yes. Yes.
It's a lot of fun, you know? So tons of fun. I still have, no, look at this. I still have the garbage drawings in here. That's where the flies should go now. You guys are all done with this?
Flies in the fridge.
For later.
Yeah, it's for later. I only will say what that.
What did he do?
It doesn't mean the food stinks because it's all fresh. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna take a picture. You guys are gonna hold these all up for me too, because I'm gonna stand here and I'm gonna do this table and I'm gonna do that table, okay? Because these look absolutely awesome, and I'm proud of all of you. And thank you for taking the time. But you know what it is? There's a lot of courage in drawing too. You have a white piece of paper in front of you. You have a black marker. You're not taking a pencil and doing a little, you know, rough first and then going over it. You're taking this to take a black marker and put it on a white piece of paper that you never do. It takes a lot of courage to do that. And a lot of people are afraid to do that because they don't want to be committed to black like this, hitting that because they can't change it. And that's okay, because you're going to alter it to make it work for you. It's like painting. You know, when I get a big canvas in front of me, it's all set to go, and I got to put the first thing down. It's like, oh, I know the tree's here and this here, and I have a Rec VW bus over here, and the waves are coming. It looks like that. I just got to start doing it, and that's what you guys did. And I think you guys are outstanding. Pay no attention to that stuff in there.
Do you teach classes often, Jeff?
I teach class Ventura 3 afternoons a week. I handle about 100 kids a week.
What ages?
Grades 1 through 5.
Really?
Yes. Each grade is totally different. It's amazing how different they are from grade to grade. You know, they all call me Mr. Jeff. Mr. Jeff, can I do? Yes, you can. That looks great. Can I put this on top of it? Go ahead and do it. It's your piece. All right.
Awesome.
You know, you give them the freedom. You give them the freedom.
Is most of what you teach Ratfink?
We don't draw Ratfink. I teach them art and some science.
Okay.
So last week I just did the meteor belt that's outside Mars and all that. So they learn how to draw Earth, and we have black paper and stuff, and we supply everything, and they wrap it in tin foil, and they have these cool little meteors that are sparkly, and then they have the Earth and the sun that they draw, and it looks like they're beautiful when they're done with them, you know. And it's amazing to teach them, you know. It's just like this. It's just like this. Come over and help me, so I go over there and help them, you know. Some of them want you to draw the whole thing for them. I said, no, I'm not gonna draw the whole thing, but if you need help with this and that, I'll do it, but you have to finish it. because it's yours. Well, that looks awesome. Looks awesome. Guys, you guys did absolutely great. If we can, a round of applause for you guys, okay? And I think you guys are just great. All right, don't go anywhere yet, okay? We have a commercial break. Plus these things are getting cold in there.
Jeffrey,
Yes? Yes, sir.
can you sign mine?
Sure, I can do that. It's going down in value.
Oh, wow.
Oh, man, thanks, buddy.
Like, so you're signing it?
My pleasure, man. My pleasure. My pleasure. You know what? When you guys are done, yeah, I'm gonna have you guys hold them up, okay, if you could. Hey, aren't you guys amazed when you're looking at all these together? It's just like, wow, look at that and,
So scary.
okay, when you guys are ready. We don't have to scram right away. You can finish DEGRANDIS.
Claire.
DEGRANDIS. DeGrandis. You guys want to take a picture? You want to hold them up for me? Hold them up, don't be shy. Guys, these are absolutely 100% awesome. Ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. I got you right here. Get ready.
1, 2, 5.
Hey guys, I'm coming over there, so just, you know what? Hey, keep those up. Because you know what, we're gonna do the long perspective down there, but I'm coming over there to do a closer one too, because Eileen's gonna wanna see all these like ruby things. Hey guys,
Yeah,
can you
in the
all-
living room,
hey,
yeah.
can you come on over here?